Hello, welcome to another edition of Mark's Garage. Today out in the driveway today, we got two of my latest acquisitions to the garage. I've got my 1998 Yamaha YZF-R1, which I bought from Iconic Motorsports and restored myself back to original, with the exception of a few Yamaha factory accessories. Then we've got my 2010 Aprilia RSV4 factory, which is completely loaded out with goodies that I bought from Mint Motorcycles in Dallas with the broken transmission, and I got that fixed up and ready to go back on the road. Rid of some of the cheesy mods that were on it, added a few other things, just spooned on a set of Q5s today. Got a 255 in the back because it did have a 190/50 in the back, so I put a 255 on the back. So riding more like a proper modern sport bike with that. Like I said, the 1998 R1, I do have a full-length video up on this one, but I got it as a project bike from Iconic Motorsports. Did a I wouldn't say a frame off restoration because the engine stayed in the frame, but pretty much had everything down to just the frame and the engine. Replaced a ton of OEM parts on this one. Added a few accessories. Like I said, I have the Yamaha accessories OEM seat cowl and the YEC solo seat exhaust hanger, which is pretty hard to find. And it's looking pretty good. Most recent thing I did that is synced up the carbs. Got this thing running really great. Really great running bike. 28,000 miles on that one. On the RSV4, we got just about getting close to 6,000 miles on this right now. Got Marchesini Forged Wheels. Vinci full titanium super bike system. Full Bazzaz system to include the auto tune with a quickshifter, gilles tooling, rear sets, zero gravity, front windscreen, some spider levers, domino grips. I've started spackling some titanium hardware here and there, evotech rail tail tidy, carbon gas cap, carbon quick turn gas cap. I got some more accessories from Spider, the oil cap. Gilles tooling, chain adjusters. What else we have? Suntour gold front rotors. It's a brand new Q5s. Rizoma sprocket cover, light tech mirror block offs, and samco hoses, and driven sprocket, or that's not a driven sprocket. I forget what that's called. I forget what brand that is. I know it's on the tip of my tongue. Got some seat cover. And it's good, looking good. Looking good. Got it nice and tuned up. Ran through the auto tune module with the wideband O2 sensor on it. Got it tuned up a little bit closer to probably what it was needing for Louisiana weather here. It's running really, really good. All the issues I was having with the tune seem to have been cured by running through the auto tune a few times. Again, these are my two latest bikes in the collection. Been tinkering around with them the most lately, and they're just great additions to the garage. I love them both, old and new. These bikes separated by what, 12 years? So we're good. If you like my videos, click back for more content. Periodically, I don't get to post near as much as I'd like to on here anymore. I do post every now and then. And check out my channel for other videos, and check out some of my old videos on some of the RC51s and the Ducati and the ZX10s as well. Thanks a lot. Have a great evening, everybody.